Hello, welcome back, and today we are going to see how we can make some amazing custom pivot table styles. So we have this pivot table of ours, and by default when you make a pivot table it is most likely going to come like this, okay, or maybe some other common style. And pivot table styles are under design. When you click new pivot table after you have created it, go to design and they are right here. So in most cases any of these will come because there are some which are already created in the system, and these are default styles that are already there, okay. However, you may be there and you want to really have some custom styles which you can always apply quickly on your created pivot tables and take directly to report. Maybe you do quick reporting, or you want to consistently keep specific styles, or you want to consistently display your tables in the report in a certain manner. So all you need to do, you can come and go to design, then pivot table styles, and then you go to new pivot table style, okay. So there are options: whole table, report filters, first column stripe, first row stripe, first column, header row, sub column 1, sub column 2. So all these are table elements within a pivot table, and all you need to do is to deal with those which you are really interested in. So for the case of the whole table, we can create borders, right? We can create like one big outside border, and then we can make some internal, let's say, gray borders which look a little bit nice. And this is it. So our table will have one outside big border that is in black, and then some internal small borders which are in gray. I press OK. So we may be interested in our header row. So I can format. You want to fill it, let's say, with green, okay. Remember here, when you're applying color, you have to make sure that the fill color and the font color blend very well, so that you don't have a table which is not very visible. So let us select blue, and then font, let's put this yellow and we bold it, so it shall look like this. And then for the grand total row, I can as well format. I can fill it dark blue, and the font I put yellow and not bold. I press OK. So we can have something like this, and you need to name your style. Let me call it Uganda, since we are in Uganda right now. I press OK, and well, after you've done that, all you need to do to apply it is to click new pivot table, go to pivot table styles. It will always be under the custom style. So like you say, I already have this one. Then this is our style, which we have named Uganda. When you select in it, you see Uganda will pop up. So when I select, it will get applied. You can see the border here. Let me remove the grid line so that you see it really well. You can see the big border outside, the internal gray small borders, and then our grand total is here, and then the header row is here. And this is really nice. You can copy this and take it directly to your PowerPoint or to your report. Thank you. Watch out for the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you.